guys, I gave us this setup, and of course, yesterday I also updated us on this particular setup. Okay, this setup actually started right from this resistance zone. Okay, and it's just finished this morning. You can see it has just achieved our last TP. It achieved the first TP around there, then the second TP around there, and right here is our last TP. So congratulations to those of you who are able to pick up this signal. And in case you don't know, guys, we are on 1 hour time frame. You can see how big this profit is going to, how sweet this is going to be if you are actually taking this particular trade. Okay, before I explain to you how I'm able to come up with this particular setup, okay, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, like I said, I dropped this setup after getting this asset to the resistance zone. Okay, but before I drop this setup, this is just for you to know that this setup really works. We've done this over and over again. Okay, so you can see it. We actually started with an uptrend, and we traded the uptrend for a very long time. We started from here, and it is still the same setup we used that gave us all this profit on 1 hour time frame. You can imagine, guys. So right now, right from here, we also got this setup. This got to the resistance zone. It's tapped into it. At this point, it was unable to break out from here, so it had a pullback. Okay, and went back up again to tap into it again, still unable to break out from there. So this time around, it came down and switched into a downtrend and also gave us sell signal. Okay, so it came as far as this level and went back up. Okay, so immediately it went back up and it's still gave us another sell signal. I knew this is ready to sell at that particular point. Okay, so I quickly add our setup around the entry point. I maintained this as our stop loss because I knew this is going to be a long trading opportunity. Okay, so I add our first TP. I dropped our first TP at this point. If you should notice, our TP compared to our stop loss, this will give us a lot of profit by the time it's achieved this TP. Okay, so after that, I knew that okay, it might have a little issue around here. So I decided that we should have our first TP around here. Okay, so but if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. So this is the second TP. I dropped it here, and I dropped the third TP here, and you can see it achieved all the TPs. But there is one thing you should take note of: for each time that it is trying to go down on this particular trend, there is always a pullback. Okay, so right here is a pullback, but not a major pullback. Each time it gives a major pullback, it gives you more opportunity to enter again. So we add another pullback here, and which gives you a sell signal again, which is another place for you to set up your trade again. Okay, and of course it continues like that until it got to this region. So this is the power of trend trading strategy. Once you understand how it works, then you are most likely to milk the market for a very long time, which is exactly what we are seeing right here. Okay, so as it is, it has gotten to this support zone, although it has not been able to break out from there. Okay, so it's at this pullback. If this pullback goes fully, okay, then definitely if it breaks out above this, okay, above this particular region, then definitely, guys, it is going to buy more. Okay, it is going to buy more, and of course it will be on a buy trend at that particular point. But if it does not and it goes back to this support zone, then it is most likely to break out from here and even give us more selling opportunity, because we still have let me zoom it out a bit, you can see we still have more space to clean. Okay, so that is the beauty of it all, guys. That is the beauty of it all. So I still expect this to sell more. That is the power of trend trading strategy. Now let's see if this same strategy still, let's see more examples on this same strategy. So this is Ganex 999. Okay, it is also on 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we made use of the same strategy to milk it around there. Okay, and of course got to the resistance zone, was unable to break out, had a pull back and went back up again to try it out again, still unable to break up, gave us a downtrend signal, broke out from here, and it sold till it got to this region. The same thing happened around there. Okay, got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, and it's broke out from this it shifted the market structure at this point, and of course gave us um some structural breakout around here, and of course you can see it's buying and buying till it got to this region, even broke out above this particular resistance zone. Okay, and it is still buying at the moment. So that is the power of trend trading strategy. Once you get it right, then you can use it to milk the market for a very long time. And if you should notice, each time there is a pullback, it gives more opportunity to buy. Here is another one, more opportunity to buy, more opportunity to buy. Okay, so you don't expect it to be going in that direction for a very long time without any major pullbacks. Okay, so there are pullbacks in between, however they are opportunity for you to go into the market or to place more order in order to milk more from the market. Okay, now let's see more, guys. This is another asset, Paynex 1200. I also analyzed this particular asset, and of course, most of us jumped into it. Right from here, it started a downtrend, and you can see it has been selling. I told you that this was giving us a major um pullback. Okay, you can see it, and each time that happens, it goes back to sell more. Each time it happens, it goes back to sell more. It is as simple as that. And of course, this is Paynex 999 also. And if you should notice, on uptrend, the same thing happened. Right now, it is on downtrend. So this is also going to sell more. Okay, I'm expecting it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from there, it should get here, and of course also get here. And of course I will be adding one more. Okay, and which is this region. It is the final bus stop, that is if it gets there. Okay, but this is going to be a good trading opportunity for us. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of it. So guys, that is how it works. Now let's check it out on FX volume 80 also. This is also on H1. I also analyzed this particular asset 3 days ago, and of course, I told you this had been on downtrend, was unable to break out from here, went on uptrend and came back down again, still unable to break out from there. And this time around, I told you that it's going to buy. And if you had entered since then, okay, you should have achieved this TP. Okay, and of course, if you should notice, this is the second TP that it has just achieved this morning. Okay, and the third TP is still there. This is the final TP. This is where I am expecting it to get to. So you can see that this is still doing very well, and it is also achieving all the TPs just the way I have highlighted them. Okay, so this is how you can make a lot, okay, with this strategy. Okay, so if you understand how it works, then you can leverage on it and use it to make something meaningful for yourself at the end of the day. All you just need to do is just for you to learn, understand, and also practice very well on your demo account until you are able to perfect it. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.